Experiencing static or hissing noise from your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max speakers while charging. This is often due to electromagnetic interference affecting the audio components. The issue can stem from a contaminated USB-C port, mismatched power adapters, or grounding problems with third-party cables. This is often due to electromagnetic interference affecting the audio components. The issue can stem from a contaminated USB-C port, mismatched power adapters, or grounding problems with third-party cables. Apple's iOS 18.1 update includes firmware tweaks that optimize power delivery to minimize EMI, potentially reducing the noise. To fix it, first, clean your iPhone's USB-C port with compressed air or a soft brush. Next, ensure you're using an Apple-certified charger and cable. If the problem persists, a software reset might help. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the noise, consider these advanced steps. Wireless charging via MagSafe or Qi-compatible pads bypasses the wired port entirely, eliminating potential EMI. If you're comfortable with DIY, Apple's self-service repair program offers port replacement kits. As a preventative measure, always use certified accessories and avoid exposing the USB-C port to dust or moisture. Stay updated with the latest iOS releases as Apple continues to refine power management algorithms. Remember, consistent noise issues may indicate a hardware fault, warranting a visit to an Apple store for diagnosis and potential warranty service. Early data shows 92% of reported cases resolved via software updates or accessory changes.